Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when we drop another video. Now, you see you got the black and red OG Air Jordan 1 box. So what we're going to take a look at is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in pine green, black, and sail. Everybody already did a review on these, man. I'm not really going to go too much into it. I'm just giving you a look at the kicks, man, because I'm a little late to the party. Yeah, man. If you ain't check out my review on the Court Purple, go ahead and check that out. I'm going to try to link it at the end of the video, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, y'all already can see what's up with the shoes, man. But I'm really letting y'all know, man, I'm going to be giving away a pair of these, man. I'm not sure how I'm going to be doing it, but, you know, if you took a L on these kicks or whatever, man, holler at me in the comments, man. Leave your size. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to figure out a way to try to get a free pair out to one of my subscribers, man. You know what I'm saying? I just reached 2,000. You know what I'm saying? So just trying to figure out a way to give back. You understand what I'm saying? So, you know, when, like I say, man, don't be the kind of cat that who done already got the kicks, man, or planning to go try to sell the kicks or whatever. Even though, if you get chosen, you know, to be the one that got the free kicks, man, you do as you please with the kicks. You know what I'm saying? But I'm asking, you know, just being real, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't really want these kicks, man, don't even put your shoe size or whatever, you know what I'm saying, man? Let somebody get these things, man, that was trying to get them, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe somebody that wanted them couldn't afford them, you understand what I'm saying? So, you know, like I say, I'm going to be giving a pair of these away, man. Comment your shoe size in the comments, and I'm going to go ahead and figure out a way. Might just pick somebody, I don't know what I'm going to do, but, you know, that was my little look at the Air Jordan 1 Retro High, pine green colorway. Follows on Instagram at PetLazar504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holla back.